Okay. My name is Daniel Cudó. I'm from Peru. I'm a musicologist, 46 years old, and I'm a researcher at the Center for the Study of Manuscript Cultures.
My name is Malgorzata. I'm 36 years old and I come from Poland. I am doing my PhD in archaeometry here at the Cluster of Excellence Understanding Written Artifacts at CSMC at the University of Hamburg. My PhD project is researching paper structure, and we are trying to understand how historical changes in manufacturing of paper are reflected in its structure and chemical composition.
I am working with music manuscripts and music archives from different time periods, but especially the 19th century. Music is a wonderful window to understand the dynamics inside the society because it's present everywhere. So if we try to understand the people in the past, we might understand ourselves better.
The problem is that paper, although it looks like it's a very simple thing because it's just like a white sheet of material, is actually very complex. When we are trying to understand our samples, first we can use some of the methods that are available here in the laboratory, such as optical microscopy, digital microscopy. We have the multispectral imaging. But what I can do, because I have access to the DESI synchrotron facility, is I can use these advanced methods to probe my samples and get this very high resolution data.
I have many persons that are interesting, different archives that are interesting. I ask for digital reproductions, or I make myself the digital reproductions. And from them I do transcriptions on the computer, then I can analyze them a little bit, and I do a lot of historical research on the background. The 19th century in Peru is a very special and understudied period of time. The only music that we have is the music that was written. This is music from the Western tradition. Still, Peruvian music has a little bit of its own character, but there's also in this dynamics, this tension between change and imitation of the European style.
You have to master a lot of different tools that come from different disciplines. So it's pretty much physics, material science, chemistry, programming, history, archaeology, conservation. And since we're dealing with such big amounts of data, AI has also impact on our work. Luckily, here on site, we have AI specialists who helps me, for example, to develop some solutions to extract information from images that I wouldn't be able to do on my own. Working in such an interdisciplinary environment and having this opportunity to conduct my research both here in the laboratory in cooperation with experts from different disciplines is just a unique opportunity actually in Germany and even maybe in Europe.
I like that Hamburg is a very welcoming city with lots of sightings and cultural activity. I like going out for lunch with colleagues, and afterwards we take a stroll down the Alps there. It's very nice in any season.
I love art. I'm an artist on and off myself. So whenever I have free time, I like to enjoy the cultural offer of the city, and I often visit art galleries, such as, for example, Hallen. In the future, I would like to continue research on written heritage, and hopefully I will be able to do it here at the University of Hamburg.